A pound cake is a delightful and buttery cake known for its rich flavor and dense texture. Here's a detailed guide on how to make the perfect pound cake from scratch, with tips to ensure your cake turns out extraordinarily well every time. Hashtag ingredients. 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter at room temperature, 2 cups granulated sugar for large eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup whole milk at room temperature. Hashtag instructions 1. Prepare the oven and pan. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit 165 degrees Celsius. Grease a 10-inch bundt pan or loaf pan with butter and lightly dust with flour to prevent sticking. If using a bundt pan, ensure all crevices are well coated to ease cake release after baking. 2. Cream the butter and sugar. Using a hand mixer or stand mixer with a paddle attachment, beat the unsalted butter on medium speed until creamy and smooth. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually add 2 cups of granulated sugar, beating until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step typically takes about 5 minutes. Scrape down the sides of the bowl occasionally to ensure even mixing and maximum air incorporation for a lighter texture. 3. Add the eggs and vanilla. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. This helps to incorporate more air, resulting in a lighter cake. If the mixture looks a little curdled after adding the eggs, don't worry. It will smooth out once the dry ingredients are added. After all eggs have been added, pour in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and continue to beat until everything is well combined. Be careful not to overbeat the batter at this stage. 4. Mix the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Whisk together 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This step ensures even distribution and prevents clumps in the batter. 5. Combine dry and wet ingredients. With the mixer on low speed, alternately add the dry ingredients in thirds and the milk in halves to the creamed mixture, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix each addition just until incorporated, being careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a dense cake. 6. Transfer and smooth the batter. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, using a spatula to spread it evenly and smooth the top. Take care to eliminate any air bubbles by tapping the pan gently on the counter. 7. Bake the pound cake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 60 to 75 minutes. You can check for doneness by inserting a toothpick or knife into the center of the cake. It should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs. If the top is browning too quickly, cover loosely with aluminum foil. 8. Cool the cake. Remove cake from the oven and allow it to cool in the pan for about 15 to 20 minutes on a wire rack. Cooling in the pan allows for easier handling and helps the cake maintain its shape. Carefully invert the cake onto the wire rack to cool completely before slicing. 9. Serve and enjoy. Once the cake is fully cooled, slice and serve as desired. You can enjoy it plain, dusted with powdered sugar, or with a dollop of whipped cream. It's also delicious with fresh berries or a fruit compote. Hashtag tips for a perfect pound cake. Room temperature ingredients. * use ingredients at room temperature to ensure smooth blending and better rise. Cold ingredients can result in a lumpy batter. Avoid overmixing. * mix dry ingredients into the wet mixture gently to avoid a tough, dense cake. Overmixing develops gluten, which isn't desirable for a tender pound cake. Flavor variations. * feel free to add flavor variations such as lemon zest for a citrusy note, almond extract for a nutty aroma, or a few tablespoons of poppy seeds for texture. These can be added with a vanilla extract or folded into the batter before baking for intriguing taste profiles. By following these instructions, you should have a delectable pound cake that's perfect for any occasion. Whether shared with family, friends, or enjoyed solo, this pound cake will be a delightful treat.